And now coming to the problems, the first question is find HCF of 108, 288 and 360. For this one, we are going to follow the factorization method. In this factorization method, we need to express the given numbers as the product of the prime factors. Means by taking 108, we need to take 108 as 108 divided by 2. I am following this process for this one. See, so that we can write 108 as 2 square into 3 cube. In the same way, we need to write the rest of the numbers. So this is 2 power 5 into 3 square and 360 as 2 cube into 3 square into 5. And after that, we need to find out the HCF of these numbers, as here the HCF is the product of least powers of common prime factors gives HCF. Least powers of the common prime factors means here we can take as 2 power square, 2 power 5 and 2 power 3. Means the least prime factor is 2 power 2 among the 3. So 2 power 2 into the product of, right, we are saying. So, and 3 power 3, 3 square into 3 square. So 3 square. And there is no 5 at all in the 3. So we are not going to take that one. So here we have 36. Here 36 is the HCF of 108, 288 and 360. And next we can go to the next question. So I am writing the next question as find HCF of 513, 1134 and 1215. This one, now we are going to follow the division method. For that one, we need to consider first two numbers like 113. I am taking 1134 and 1215. So 1134 is the divisor, 1215 is the dividend, and 1134. So 1, and here we get 8. So we need to take this divisor as the dividend again. 1134 means until we are able to get the remainder as 0, we need to continue the same process. 1s are 81, 2, 3, 4, 81 4s are 324. Here we got the remainder exactly 0. So we are going to stop this division here. If suppose if we get the remainder as 203 like that, then we need to make that 2 the remainder what we got 2 as a divisor, and we need to take this divisor as the dividend here, and we need to continue the same division process until we get the remainder as 0. So for now here we got remainder as 0. So we are going to stop this division, and now the HCF of 1134 and 1215 is 81. But we need to find out for the three numbers. The given question is for 513, 1134 and 1215. So the required HCF is HCF of 81 and 513. So we are going to follow the same division process for 81 and 513. So 81 divided by 530, 513 divided by 81. Here 81 into 6 is 486, and we got 27. We are making the same process. So 81 is the dividend now. 27 3s are 81. So it is exactly divisible. So 27 is the HCF. The required HCF is 27. And now we are going to the next question, as we need to find out the LCM of 72, 108 and 2100. So here we are going to follow the factorization method. So we need to express the three numbers as the product of the prime factors. So 72 can be written as 2 power 3 into 3 square, and 108 is 2 square into 3 power 3, and 2100 can be written as 2 square into 3 into 5 square into 7. And now the LCM is the product of the highest powers of all the factors. Means here while we are coming to 2, here 2 power 3, 2 square and 2 square. So the highest power of the prime factor is 2 power 3. So 2 power 3 into 3 square, 3 cube and 3. So 3 cube is the highest power. So 3 cube into 5 square, there's nothing. So we are going to take the highest power. So 5 square into 7, that is 37,800. This is the LCM of the given three numbers. And we can also follow the common division method. For that one, let us go with another question. Let us write the another question. We need to find out the LCM of 16, 24, 36 and 54. So let us follow the division method. 16, 24, 36, 54. Here we follow the division method. Means we are going to do the division in the manner as divide by number which divides exactly at least two of the given numbers. So if suppose here we can take 2, so that all the numbers will be divisible. 2 8s are 16, 2 12s are 24, 2 18s are 36, 2 27s are 54. The next is 2 4s are 8, 2 6s are 12, 2 9s are 18, and 27 is not divisible by 2, so we can write exactly as 27. The next is 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 9, 27. So next we are going to take 3. We can write 2 as it is. 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9, 3 9s are 27. Next 3 2 1, 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. That's it. Here we cannot take another number, as 2 and 3 cannot be divided by only a single number with the same number other than 1. So we need to stop here and we need to take these numbers. So LCM is equal to product of 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 2 into 1 into 1 into 3. That is 432. So LCM of the given numbers is 432.